Am I the only one whose Kia Soul rear-view camera went blank out of nowhere? I thought it was a major issue, but turns out it's usually a simple fix. Let's get it working again. First, check the basics. Make sure your car is in reverse. Sometimes the camera only turns on then. Still nothing? Look at your screen. Is it black, fuzzy, or showing an error? Next, check for dirt or damage on the camera lens at the back of your car. Wipe it clean and see if that solves the problem. If not, pop your trunk and look for any loose or disconnected wires near the camera. A simple push might snap it back in place. If the wires look fine, try resetting your car's radio system by turning the car off and on again. Sometimes electronics just need a quick reboot. Still no luck? The camera unit or the screen may need professional help, but 9 times out of 10 it's just a loose connection or dirty lens. Quick checks like these can save you time and money. So before you head to the shop, try these simple steps. Your Kia Soul's rear-view camera could be back in action in minutes.